In this video, you'll learn how to switch between side peek and center peek modes in Notion on your PC. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your workspace organization and navigation efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website by typing notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can access your workspaces or create new ones. Next, locate the option to add a new page. Click on the Add New Page button, usually found in the sidebar on the left. This action will open a blank page where you can begin your work. After that, click on a blank space within the newly created page. This allows you to start typing or adding content, which is essential for the next steps. Now type /database in the blank space. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear with various database options. This is a crucial step to access the inline database feature. Once the drop-down appears, click on Database Inline from the list. This will insert an inline database into your page, which you will use for tracking tasks or organizing information. Following this, click on Tasks Tracker to utilize this specific database template. This action will load the task tracker, which is designed to help manage your tasks effectively. Click on Get Started to proceed with setting up the task tracker. This will guide you through the initial setup process, making it easier to customize your tasks. After setting it up, click on Done to finalize the setup. You should see a confirmation message or a visual indicator that the setup is complete, allowing you to move forward. Next, locate the option to Open Side Peek. Click on Open Side Peek to reveal the side panel, which provides quick access to various navigation options. Now click on Switch Peek Mode to toggle between the different viewing modes. This step is essential for customizing your workspace layout according to your. Finally, click on Center Peek to switch to this mode. The interface will adjust, allowing you to view your workspace in the center, enhancing your focus on the content you are working with. Once you are finished, click on a blank space again to exit any menus or overlays. This will return you to the main view of your workspace, ready for further navigation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial